Is it really possible for you to really make money in your sleep? All right, guys, let's get into it. My name is Rich Guzman.
My name is Ace Guzman.
And we are Ace and Rich. And here's the thing about this content, all right? When I first started in 2008, I was able to understand how to make money in your sleep. Now, we heard this before from, Warren Buffett. What did he say? You can make money in your sleep by investing and things like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, here's the thing. What if you could invest in something else besides what, Warren Buffett's talking about? What if you could invest in something else? This is the great thing about affiliate marketing. You're going to be able to understand affiliate marketing in a better way after this video and how you can make money in your sleep without following the whole investment advice from Warren Buffett, right? So now the first thing I want to talk about
Wait a minute.
What?
You want them to follow the advice of
No,
Warren Buffett?
no, I don't.
Not follow
No,
them?
I don't want them to follow.
Okay.
No,
I'm
of
kind
course
of
not.
confused there.
If not, you're just going to go into stocks, you know what I mean? All those kind of things. And we're not talking about that. We are talking about
That's
affiliate.
not passive income.
No, we're talking about investing in a very different way because we're going to invest into affiliate marketing.
Right.
And this is how you can start making money in your sleep. All right. So I'm excited about this. This is really awesome, guys. Now, how do we make money in our sleep when it comes to affiliate marketing? Well, first of all, we have to start off with the basics. And that basic is understanding and finding a niche. Now, how do you find a niche, right? There's so many different niches out there. And what is a niche? I mean, think about it. Now, a niche is actually when you go out on the internet, there's a lot of different interests that you could look into, right? Some people have interest in bodybuilding. Some people have interest in losing weight. Some people have interest in sewing, right? Learning how to train your pet, learning how to travel, learning how to play guitar, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's so many different niches out there, right. And you have to find the niche that you want to focus on with affiliate marketing. Now, for us, we focus on the make money online with affiliate marketing programs, right? We love that because we've had great results over the years. We've crushed it online, and especially in today's age, the way the economy is and all the frustrations that are going on with inflation, it is the perfect niche to be in, let me tell you, okay? So now when we actually choose the niche, all right, we got to start focusing on what do we do in that niche? And then what we do in that niche is we create content in that niche.
That's right? Yes.
Because in order for us to understand a niche, we have to create content, but not just any content. We have to create content that solves people's problems. I'll give you an example. So if you are in the weight loss niche, for an example, okay, you want to solve the problem on how to lose weight. And there's many different, strategies and tactics on how to lose weight, right? So if you can create content on helping someone how to lose weight, basically you just gave value with that content. And more importantly, you just help solve a problem, right? Because the most successful people in affiliate marketing are always solving problems. Successful entrepreneurs are always solving problems, right? Make sense now? All right. So this is why we always say content is king, because if we focus on the right kind of content with the right niche, then we know that we're on the right track. But here's the thing about the niche. You want to make sure that niche is profitable.
Right.
All right. And how do you know if a niche is profitable? If there's a lot of competition, don't be afraid of competition. People get afraid of competition because they're like, well, if there's a lot of people doing it, how am I going to make money? That means I have to go against all these people. No, that means there is a market for you to make money if there's competition.
That's
now,
right.
If there's no competition, there's nothing to sell. There's nothing to market, right? So that's a clue. That's a hint. So when you go out there and you do your market research and finding out what niche, and you see a lot of competition, other people doing what you want to do, that's a good thing. Competition is very, very healthy, especially when you're creating content, okay? And what's great about it is when you look at content, for example, you want to focus on studying your competitors. Competition is great, but also we can study our competitors and we could actually focus on finding out what works, what doesn't work, because you don't have to reinvent the wheel when it comes to creating the content, right?
That's right. And should I say the third thing?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, because you just kind of like looked at me and I didn't know if it was my turn. I mean, he's on a roll, isn't he? But
I love this stuff. I love this stuff.
Yeah.
So.
the thing is about, content is king, but quality content is queen. Don't forget that.
Well, yes, quality content is queen.
That's right.
I'll admit that. Yeah.
So when you're putting your posts out there, make sure there is quality behind it. Otherwise, people feel that you really don't care much about the content that you've written. The third thing is more about tracking and optimization, right? Because if you're going to be doing this, you have to make sure that you know what's going on in your business. So you want to make sure that you're not focusing on like too many things, but only specific things, because not all strategies work the same, right? And Rich and I, we learned a lot of this in the past, and we teach now a lot of this in our inner circle. But what we want to share with you is start utilizing the certain softwares and tools that you have at your fingertips, which are available, to watch how your campaigns are really going out there.
Yes.
Tracking every link, tracking every video, tracking every email, like knowing what's going on in your business. If you're just working blindly and you're not tracking, that's a formula for,
disaster.
Failure. Yeah, that's major disaster.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
And, and we can look at different traffic sources, right?
Yes.
We can look at like YouTube. We can look at Facebook. We can look at Instagram.
Yes.
Even TikTok for that, because TikTok is, really hot right now. Also YouTube Shorts. So you could really track your results to different traffic sources.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you just use the same link for all your traffic sources, what happens is you don't know what's working or not working. You could get results and you're like, well, wait a minute. Where did I get that result from? Did it come from TikTok? Did it come from YouTube Shorts? Did it come
How
from
do you know?
my long form YouTube videos?
Mm-hmm.
Did it come from Instagram? Did it come from Facebook? I don't know.
Right.
So by you tracking from the results, right, tracking the results from the different traffic sources, you know where your efforts are being paid off, right? So think about it. Let's say that you're tracking your results on TikTok, but you're also tracking your results on YouTube Shorts. What happens if you're getting clicks and leads on TikTok, right? Exciting. It's working. But what happens if you're getting clicks and leads and sales on YouTube Shorts? Where should you spend your time the most? Well, that's a no-brainer. Of course, it would be YouTube Shorts, because you're getting more sales and more conversions instead of just clicks and leads. And why does that matter? Because as you're tracking your results, let's say on one platform, and you think you're getting somewhere with it, maybe they just have no interest in what you have to offer. But maybe the audience on the YouTube Shorts says, interested in this.
Very good point.
You see what I'm saying? But
Yes.
you don't know that unless you do track your results, right? And understanding, knowing your page views, how many clicks, you're getting is really important.
Right.
But also your conversion rates is crucial when it comes to know if you're getting sales or not.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is very simple. It's not rocket science, guys. We teach this in our inner circle that we have,
Mm-hmm.
and we go over all these metrics and things like that.
Right.
And we teach it in a kindergarten style so you could understand it. We have people who are like literally 50, 60, 70-year-olds that are doing marketing because of the way we teach it, right? So if we could teach them, I know you guys could actually learn this and get this as well, right?
Yeah.
And keep in mind, this is a journey that you're going to go through, all right? It's absolutely normal to be a little nervous if you're learning something new, okay?
It's okay.
We all gone through that in the very beginning, but once you dive right in, you go, oh, wow, I was nervous for no reason.
Yes.
It's just a few basic principles that you have to follow,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yes.
And we talked about this, and it's so crucial when we think about, finding that niche, focusing on the content, and then tracking those results. Because the more that we focus on those 3 key principles, okay,
Yes.
then we can start pretty much making money in our sleep. Now, let's have some fun, all right? Because here's something that I've always done, and it's so great, and I want to share this with you, all right? And this could happen to you too. Imagine that you're sleeping, all right? And as you're sleeping, you make money, right? It's exciting, isn't it? But it's actually possible, and it's true, right? Because you have to understand something. This is the World Wide Web. This is the internet. So you have people, seeing your content from all over the world.
That's right.
Think about it. We got people seeing us from the UK. We got people seeing us from the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. I mean, the list goes on and on. We have people actually joining our program all the way from South Korea. Okay? So I want you to think about that. So while you're sleeping and that sun is setting and you're sleeping, the sun is rising somewhere else in the world. That's
right.
the power of making money in
Very
your sleep
powerful.
when you are marketing on the internet by finding that niche that's profitable, creating amazing content, okay, and tracking and optimizing your results. That way, you know you're not wasting time, and you can predict your results, right? Now, when you go to sleep, it's exciting. You're like, oh, I'm going to go to sleep. I don't know. Maybe tonight I'll make some money, right? I'll wake up and there'll be a sale, or maybe not, right? It depends on the day. But if you stay consistent and you focus on these three, key principles that we're talking about,
it becomes fun.
Exactly. And we didn't even talk
And
about
addictive.
I know, right? We didn't even talk about the autoresponder.
No.
Right? The autoresponder is when you build a list, which is number one asset, as you're generating these leads, right? Think about this. You can schedule out emails in the morning, in the evening, okay? And people are going to read those emails at different times of the day.
They will.
Somebody can read the email in a different country while that sun is rising and while you're going to bed. And you don't even know if they're in that buying mode, in that buying decision.
Yes.
And when they are, you'll be sleeping. And guess what? You'll be making a sale.
Mm-hmm.
I love that stuff.
Yeah.
I love it. I get excited about that. All right, guys. With that being said, my name is Rich Guzman.
And my name is Ace Guzman.
I want to thank you so much for stopping by this video. And guys, this is on YouTube. And I want you guys to give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys. Oh, by the way, I appreciate the comments that are coming in. We love you and appreciate you for that. And that thumbs up really does help. So please smash that likes button and leave a comment and let us know what you think about this great content. And if you have any ideas of what you want to hear, put it in the comments below and we'll create some content on that as well. And all the Facebook peeps, I love you guys too. And we'll see you on the next one. Take care.
Bye now.
Bye-bye.